welcome guys. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you how to test the jumpers. These small jumpers if the wires are good. I need a DC motor. This is a DC motor inside here. The jumper cables and a battery from one of my projects. You see this project here? The battery is just here. This one here. In that other video I made a solar house. Okay, so we start. First we get the jumpers, put it nicely there, very neatly. Okay, the second one, very neatly. Then this one, my jumpers have this point that I'll couple it to a battery. Okay, then I get the cables for the battery on one side, and that battery will hit the button. Okay, there it goes. It's going. It's going inside. And that you know that the lead is good. The motor is here. So that's how you know if it's very good. Subscribe for more videos. Can you take me to 1000 subscribers end of this month and end of this year, and have a happy making. Keep on innovating. See you.